Welcome to this training video that will review the ProfitBase basket and customer analysis reports. Let me take a moment to provide you with an overview of basket and customer analysis, why you might need it, and how it can help you improve your retail performance. Basket analysis will help you understand how your customers shop and buy. It's an analysis of what items are in a purchase transaction, or what is also known as a basket. If you're running a promotion on an item, for example, 50% off an item, then basket analysis will help you understand what the pull-through items are. Pull-through items are the other items that are purchased with the promotional item. Basket analysis also helps you to understand what item combination are purchased together. The bottom line is basket analysis will help you increase basket value by improving promotions, product placement in your stores, and to make sales recommendations to your customers. Customer analysis helps you to understand the buying habits for a specific group of customers or for one of your high-value customers. For example, if you're a retailer that sells high-value items to high-end clientele who might actually make appointments with you to come into the store, then understanding what they like, their size, the colors they prefer, and the employee they prefer to meet with enables you to make their visit a productive and pleasurable experience. The result is you'll increase your transaction value, have repeat customers, improved product offerings, and higher customer satisfaction. Let's now look at the basket and customer analysis reports. We've logged in and have selected the Basket Analysis-1 report. This report allows you to select any item that you are selling using the department, subdepartment, class, subclass, and target item slicers. Once a target item is selected, the target item tables on the top right shows, for the date selected in the slicers, the number of baskets sold, the total basket value, the total number of items in the basket, and the average basket value. The items in the basket table show all the items in the basket. Usually, the target item is the first item in the table and is in the basket 100% of the time. The second item, FZ Chicken PP, is purchased 46.77% of the time with the target item. The third item, Snacks Candy PP, is purchased 33.87% of the time. And so on down the list. The Basket Analysis-2 report lets us pick from the list of top 30 items, which is based on the date, store, and department slicers. If we select the frozen department and then the Jack Daniel's Beef Brisket 20 as the target item, then the tables on the right update to reflect this selection. The Basket Analysis-3 report lets us pick a promotion. For example, let's pick Military Monday to show the items that are sold during this promotion. Then we can select smoked meats as our target item, which causes the tables on the right to update to reflect this target item selection. Let's now look at the customer analysis reports. When I select the Customer Analysis-1 report, we have the option to select a customer type to filter the customer list, or you can just select a customer from the list. For the customer we've selected, we can see the purchases by year and by month, what items were purchased by department, and the stores they purchased from. We can also drill down into the department hierarchy to see what items were purchased. We can also select a department or item in either table to filter the other tables. When we select the Customer Analysis-2 report, the selected customer is retained in the slicer, and now we see all the dates and the sales dollar value, the items purchased, the stores where the purchases were made, and the cashier that was involved in the transaction. We can slice the data even more by selecting a month in the month date slicer. There are other nice options to drill down into the data. If we select a date from the Purchase Dates table, the tables will update. Or we can select a department or even an item in the Items Purchased by Customer table. And the Purchase Dates table will update to reflect the dates when the items or items were purchased. This concludes the training video on the ProfitBase basket and customer analysis reports. We hope this review of the basket and customer analysis reports shows you what is possible with these reports and help you to improve your retail operation. Should you have any questions or issues, please contact us. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.